Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Filmora's AI generation with Nano Banana. Specifically how to mix images together and then turn an AI image into an animated AI video. There's actually a lot you can do when combining images. For example, you could edit or generate an image using a family photo if someone's missing, change someone's outfit, or even add extra elements to the scene. So now that you know what's possible, let me show you how to do it. First, go to Stock Media. Then click AI Media. Click on the AI image option. Now, make sure you're using Nano Banana and not the standard 1.0 model. Nano Banana is important because it lets you mix multiple images together. You can see there's 3 examples below. Let's check out the second one. Let's use the pre-made prompt as an example. It shows you how to give the AI directions, like use the pose from image 3. You don't have to copy it exactly. We'll do something similar, giving the AI simple instructions, but we'll swap in our own images and tweak the prompt to fit what we want. Now let's add the images you want to combine. Next, edit your prompt so the AI knows exactly what you want. Make sure your prompt is clear. The clearer your prompt is, the better the result will be. Once you're done, click Generate. This costs 45 AI credits. Now we just wait for it to finish generating. All right, it's done. And honestly, that looks pretty good. Now let's turn this image into a video. First, we need to save the image. Add it to your timeline. Then, click on this camera icon right here. It's saved into our gallery. Let's delete the clip for now. Now, let's go back to Stock Media. You should be in AI Media, then Image to Video. Add the image you just saved, then write a prompt describing what you want to happen in the video. Same idea as before. The longer and clearer your prompt is, the better the result. You can also adjust things like resolution, duration, and aspect ratio. Just keep in mind, your choices will affect how many AI credits it costs. When you're ready, click Generate. You can see the progress up here. When it's done generating, you'll be able to find it in my files. Let's see the result. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. Thanks for watching!